Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm an English teacher. If you want to learn more about me or book a lesson online, just go to my website, www.team-english.com. Let's get started. What are countable and uncountable nouns? Countable nouns are things we can count. For example, 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. They often have a, an, the, this, or that in front of them. I have a cat. The cat is black. This cat is eating. That cat is sleeping. They can also be plural. Countable nouns in the plural form often have some, the, these, or those in front of them. I have some cats. The cats are young. These cats are black, and those cats are white. Uncountable nouns are things that are impossible to count or very difficult to count. For example, water, salt, sugar, tea, coffee. Uncountable nouns don't usually have a plural form. Also, uncountable nouns usually don't have a or an in front of them. They often have some in front of them. We don't say there is a water in the glass. We say there is some water in the glass. Here are some common uncountable nouns. Bread. I would like some bread, please. Paper. Can you give me some paper? Wood. I need some wood. Time. I need some more time. Furniture. This furniture is old. That furniture is new. Money. I have some money on me. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Or if you have a request for a future video. Bye!